Nah, I got it. Oh, yeah.
No, Spencer, use this pole. Spencer, this pole right here. This pole.
Alright, hold this.
So grab this pole, pull yourself up on this pole, put your feet right here. Get your feet right here. That's the only, yeah.
Ow!
Spencer, you gotta get your feet right there. Gotta get your feet on the very top one, man.
Oh my god. Oh yeah.
Spencer.
There's another one?
Yeah. What?
This is what you do?
This is what I want to do for a living, man. Just do this shit.
Fucking alpha, dude.
Yeah, how do you think I got up here, dumbass?
Wait, Jay, can I get bottom when I put it in my pocket? Sure. I know we're listening to Barrio.
Spencer,
Honestly,
come over here.
I would be too scared of like.
What's up? You're the one guy. You're the one guy I have not hugged yet. You wanna hug me, Ronan? Let's get a hug. Pretty good. I'm freezing. Of course, it's going to help you. Yeah, don't worry about it. Ronan's a little homosexual.
That's what I'm doing. Do you see where the lights are? Do you see where the lights are? That's usually where they put cameras, is where the lights are. Like in the corners.
And then no.
I don't see any. Oh shit, dude, you can look through the floor. Yo, what the fuck? Yo. Wait, what is that thing?
What?
It's like a tower right there.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Wait, what if that's what if that's the other crane?
Oh yeah.
Wait, what are those like? What's that light from? Oh, it's from those. I'm fucking autistic. Alright, we gotta tell them to be quiet. Yo! Alright, what you doing? Yoka! Dude, we gotta be quiet. Jide, Spencer. We gotta be quiet, dude. It's really echoey up here. Oh. Wait, what the fuck's that light? Shit. Fucking security. Go. No.
What's up?
Just fucking security. Get the fuck down. I guess we can't go down this way. He's gonna see us. We gotta go up and around. He's gonna see us. Spencer, no. Fuck. No, run it. Jide. Shit. We gotta be hella quiet. cops to come. Dude, guys. Dude, we can't be tactical. Dude, he may be waiting for the cops to come. This way. No, Udoka. Yeah. Oh, we're fucked. Guys, no. Shit. We walk down quietly. As soon as we hit the base 4, we run.
Dude, I'm following you, Alice.
Shh. It's muddy. Don't jump there.
Wait, so did Zeb try to warn us?
No, essentially we saw it. Is that Zeb's car right there?
Okay.
Is that his? Yeah, that's his.
We're good. Whose car would it be though? I don't.
Oh, no, dude.
You don't like Cadillac on it? We're good. You said as soon as we get to the payment, we haul ass?
Yeah.
Gotcha. You got it, man.
What?
You got it, bro.
Yeah. My hoodie may be fucked up, but we're out of there, dude. That's all that matters.
We need to get out there.
I don't know. We're good. What? Where's haul ass?
What do we need to do?
Just haul ass is Zeb's car that we're getting out.
Haul axe.
Yeah.
All I understood is haul axe. Is that okay? Suspicious, bro.
Dude, yeah.
All I heard was haul axe. Is that okay?
Yeah, let's just fucking go this way. Yeah.
Just get that.
Get the fucking. Open the trunk. Open the trunk. Open the trunk. Get the fucking picture. Yeah, we're good. We're good. Yo. Fuck yeah, dude.
I fucking love you, Zeb.
Dude, Zeb.
Oh my god. Zeb, back here, let's go. Oh, Ronan,
What?
how'd you get back here? Yeah, Ronan, what happened to you, bro?
You guys are making a bunch of noise, so I just like kind of jumped off.
You're the fucking, you're the best,
Dude,
Ronan.
did you see the car?
I was
so
on the
much.
road with the car.
Oh shit.
Dude, I got past, I went on the road in less than 30 seconds, dude. And I was on the fucking, when the car was driving by?
Yeah.
I ran down and I was on the road when the fucking car was. So he just stops his car and I'm just like, and I just keep running. It's fucking
Zeb, Ronan.
Dude, he may have thought it was just you.
I almost vomited, dude.
Dude.
I kept running.
Ronan, you may have
Horrible.
saved us, dude. He may have thought it was just you.
Yeah, dude, he stopped his car and fucking looked. Oh my god, it was
Ronan.
horrible.
fucking love you,
Dude,
bro.
you're fucking awesome.